create a smooth zoom transition in After Effects. Got our 2 anime clips on the timeline. Gonna right click, go new null object. Gonna shorten it, parent both clips to the null. Press S to bring up the scale, keyframe it, go to the end, and then I'm gonna zoom in about 150%. But now the clip is a bit too zoomed in, so on the clip itself, I'm going to compensate and zoom out, except the frames before we now have these black edges. So we apply motion tile to the clip. Output height 200, output width 200. Tick mirror edges. Highlight the keyframes, right click keyframe interpolation, Bezier, speed graph editor. Pull these down, gonna make a sharp camel hump towards the cut, like so. And voila, there we have it. Super cool zoom transition in After Effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.